Welcome back. Today we will study about compound from chapter Is Matter Around Us Pure? Compounds. Compounds are those pure chemical substances which are formed by the combination of two or more elements in fixed proportion by mass. They are made up of molecules, that is the repeating units, which are combined in fixed ratio. For example, water is formed by the combination of hydrogen and oxygen in a fixed ratio. In a water molecule, two hydrogen atoms and one oxygen atoms are chemically combined in a fixed proportion by mass. Some of the examples of compounds are given here, that is water, carbon dioxide, calcium carbonate and glucose. Formula of calcium carbonate CaCO3, glucose C6H12O6. The properties of compounds are different from the properties of the constituents elements. As we know, hydrogen burns and oxygen support burning. But in the water, these properties are not shown. Rather, water extinguishes fire. So the property of hydrogen and oxygen separately is completely different when these two elements get bonded with each other to form compound water. The compound may be ionic or covalent on the basis of their nature of formation, how the bond is formed, with which metal or non-metal the bond is formed. The compounds that are formed due to transfer of electrons are called ionic compound. For example, sodium chloride NaCl, potassium chloride KCl. These compounds are formed due to sharing of electrons, due to transfer of electrons, and thus such bond is called ionic bond and such compounds are called ionic compound. On the other hand, compounds that are formed by sharing of electrons are called covalent compound. For example, hydrochloric HCl, ammonia NH3. On the basis of origin, compounds may be organic or inorganic. Carbon is an element which can form a large number of compounds with hydrogen and other elements. Most of the organic compounds are obtained from the living beings, and some of the examples of organic compounds are acetic acid, protein, some enzymes, whereas inorganic compounds are generally obtained from non-living sources, that is rock, mineral, etc. Compounds can be acids or bases or salt. In this way, and the properties which we discussed today, we understood that compounds show properties completely different from the elements which these compounds are composed of. Revise the topic well.